Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's tear down a small block Chevy today. Alright guys, so on today's episode, we're going to tear down this small block 305 cubic inch Chevy engine, and it's going to get used in a Blazer project that Ed's got planned. So he wanted to go through it. It had been sitting a long time and check it out, make sure it was good, as long as it was out and on the stand. That way there's no surprises when it goes in the truck. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, so Ed and I are going to try something a little fun and interesting. We're going to see if we can start this engine on a stand. I don't know exactly how we're going to do it yet. Right now we're figuring out how the wires are all hooked up. Everything. This is an engine that just got pulled out of a truck and everything was like ripped out of it. And we did a compression check on it, and we're going to try to run it to see if we can get some compression. There's one cylinder that's a pinch low, so we're going to see if running it will help that out. So we set it to top dead center already, so we know where we're at there, and then we're doing all the wiring and checking the distributor and everything right now.
That's one, that's 8.
Putting power to the distributor right now.
Make sure it won't get caught in the flywheel. Let's see if it turns over decent. Wow.
Is that pack getting low?
I don't know. That stupid Tribes thing doesn't light up. We'll get the other one. And I could use a battery, which would be the best.
You want to grab this battery right over here?
Yeah, I'm just trying to think what I got. Thick enough wires.
You got jumper cables?
Yeah, good luck somewhere.
Brand new never start battery. This should work. What could go wrong?
That shut off.
It's on. I'm pretty sure that'll work. Alright, we got that opened up, so that should work now. That needs a little more tweaking. So I'll show you a little trick for spreading these. If you take 2 wrenches, just set them in there like that and then just squeeze it, that'll push them apart and it'll open up the hole. Did you, okay, good. So we got a spark tester wired in right here so we can see if we get spark. Go.
Spark?
Not yet. We need to ground. Oh, hot wire fell off. Alright, try it again. Spark. Got spark. All we need is fuel now.
You know what though? Why aren't we getting oil up to these lifters?
Probably not. Yeah. It's going to take a while to get it up to the lifters, up to the push rod.
I remember checking the oil on this. Unless he drained it. That's the only thing I'm thinking. Did he drain it? He had it running the one day, it was flooding out. Let's see if we have, I bet you he drained the darn oil. So I'll make sure I don't drown myself. Why did he pull the damn dipstick tube out?
How far did you stuff that down there?
As far as it go.
Oh, there's oil in it. We're golden. Alright, we're going to put a couple quarts of oil in it. It shows that there's a little bit in there, but not a ton. I'm going to pour it in the valve cover, but you could just pour it in that open valve cover there area too. Well, I poured oil in, I didn't.
All right, well, here's what I want to do is, come here, where's Robert? Robert, if this engine acts funny, just pull that off. You won't get a shock or anything? Yeah, just pull it off. Are you gonna hold?
I'll hold.
You have gas in it?
No.
Which one is it? It's this. It's that right there. We just don't have a good contact. Be careful, it could be hot.
Yeah, this is loose. This is what it is. All right, loose wire. You want?
No, let's leave it.
Okay.
It'll be fine. I mean,
All right.
I just put a little gas in there.
Could you do me a favor and just stand over here so we can see?
Okay, director's cut. Yeah. I just want to see if we get a kick.
All right.
You holding?
Yeah, I'm holding. Ooh.
Put a little more in there. Didn't feel
no,
bad.
that didn't kick bad at all. So. All right.
Got me a little bit of
Little fire coming out the side.
Put a little.
You want a little in the hole?
Yeah.
Do you have a little tiny funnel? All right, we're just gonna pour a little bit in the bowl here.
That's good. Okay, I just want. Let me get a towel just in case this thing catches on fire.
All right, I'll put just a hint actually in the. There we go.
Yeah, I didn't get that much kick.
No, it's not bad.
Put this over. If the fire starts, put it over the fire. Ready?
Yeah.
Let me shut the choke. Let's just
Feels like we're out of
put a
gas.
little more in there.
All right.
Maybe that's just
All right, that'll do it.
Yeah, we're just. Do you want to chance it?
Yeah. Ready to roll.
Well, I'm going to tell you this. If that valve hasn't loosened up now, a little fire,
Yeah.
we'll do it one more time. We'll put a
Yep.
little more in there.
Where's that funnel? Let's put a little bit in the hole. Okay.
That should be enough, right?
Yep. All right.
Does it feel like it's pop? I'm just wondering if you should hold this throttle so we can get a one.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Ready?
All right.
All right, let me just see if it's warm inside here. Or any of them warm. I think now we go ahead and we check.
Get
Oh.
no oil in the valve.
Yeah.
Well, should we put a little bit in there one more time?
Okay.
Like right in the hole and. All right. That was a good shot. We'll definitely get some fire out of that.
You see it?
All right.
You look like a matador. All right. I just say now we pull this plug out and see if we got it.
Compression.
And if we do, then great. If not, the heads are coming off.
All right, now hold on. We can still
All right, ready?
Yeah. We got compression. Yeah, we got 100 pounds. So that's definitely better.
Yeah.
I think you're good.
I agree with you.
I know. Throw it in something. And you got oil in all but one of the rockers up here.
Starter's just a little bit hot.
Just a little bit toasty. So that's good. So I think overall this is in good shape.
Feel that.
I feel no good.
Yeah. All right, didn't get the good fire, but successful test. We really accomplished what we wanted to see if anything changed in that cylinder number 1. All right, Ed's gonna pull the intake off of this motor just to check out the inside of it. The other thing is that we discovered the little marker's gone, so we don't know where top dead center is. There's not really a way to time it, so he's going to figure that out and then mark it so we know. So here we go.
This truck.
Yeah.
That's why it wouldn't run. It was flooding out.
Yeah. So that means we'll just go ahead and put it right back on here.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that'll be fine.
That. What the heck?
How the heck? It got like smashed in there.
How the heck did that happen?
Somebody like put it up on the edge or something and ran
I've
it
never
in
seen
there.
that before.
I've never seen that happen either.
I mean, it's hard to get it back in
It
there.
might not be the right thermostat.
I mean, it should go. Huh. See how it's rotted? But to get up in there, that's pretty
I'm
unbelievable.
pretty sure that was working properly.
Yeah. The whole thing's gonna turn. I know it. Oh, I got it.
Here's that thermostat.
That is wild. I mean, you had to get that in there. You had to pound it in or something.
Yeah.
You see
Well,
how
if it doesn't fit, just jam it in there.
Yeah.
That's all you do. And that spark plug wire, I'm pretty sure that's fine too.
Vacuum, okay. I gotta pull these plugs out of here too. Trying to hack one.
I'm pretty sure that valve cover gasket is fine.
You know, the thing is, I bet you I have a bunch of those.
There you can see this is a dual plane intake where this is at one height, that's at another, and so they run on two completely different levels. Typically, dual plane intakes work better for street cars. You get more lower end torque from them. And single plane, they're better for race cars where you're running them at higher end, you know, higher RPMs all the time. Still too much crud.
Yeah.
Here's the thing with these older motors that have been around, you know, 40, 50, 60 years plus, there always tends to be more crud in them than the modern cars, and the reason is the oil wasn't nearly as good back in the day, and you always opened an engine up and there was, you know, gunk on everything. That was just the way it was.
Get away from antifreeze. His engine is disconnected, and I got damn antifreeze.
It's been rolled over. It's been
I know.
everything, and it's still dumb.
I don't know if I really do enough. Look at this. If I do enough to worry about it. But that's a lot more than I would think.
Yeah.
You know what it tells me though? Yeah, it's gonna leak all the way back this way.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
In case you're wondering, head bolts on Chevys go into the water jackets.
Now I'm gonna take the spark plugs out so I don't crack them.
Yeah.
Lowering the head.
Yeah.
I guess a 5/8 would work better.
Yeah, what the heck. And don't ever use power tools to take spark plugs out.
Yeah, or put them in.
Or put them in.
Especially half inch.
Especially half-inch drive impact.
It goes faster.
Right back here, you can
got a
probably
spot?
get a pry right there. Or maybe not.
Should be a prime place.
There it is. Woohoo! I'm gonna jump, make sure that didn't fly off. Alright, yeah, can you, just so it doesn't tip off.
I got one bolt in it, so it can't. Okay. We're gonna lift it straight up.
Oh, no.
That's all right, that's all right.
Hang on now. Yes, it's still on here.
I got the head.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time and check out all the other videos on the channel. There might be one or two good ones out there. Thanks for watching. So I hope you enjoy us. Oh, now I'm gonna laugh. All right. But anyway, I don't know, what are we gonna talk about?